Hi guys, good morning. So today we'll see Agentforce Testing Center. So first we have a trust your agent small module is there. So that is multiple choice questions. Let's see. So which option best describes the performance testing? We'll go with the option C. It runs many tests at one time. Next, so which tool is best when manual testing and troubleshooting an agent? That is Agentforce a builder. Right. So let me check this. Done. So we completed the first unit. Now go for the next unit. For the next unit, what we have to do? So we need to create a org. We need to create an org. Got it? I already created that org. So once you created the org, how to connect your playground, done. Then you can launch that. Done. Next. So once you launch it, first what we have to do, go to the top left quick find box. Just enable Einstein setup. Enable Einstein setup. Once you enable, refresh the page. Now you can go here once again, quick find box. Just enter Agentforce agents. Agentforce agents. Now the top right we have Agentforce option is there now. Enable that. And then after here we have the default agent also is there. You need to enable that also. Just right. See here, enable the default Agentforce. Just check this. Done. And then after, so once again you can go to setup. Once again you can go to the setup. Let's see. We already done. Right. Okay. So next what we have to do, right? So go to the quick find box and enter testing center. Testing center. Click on the testing center. Click on the testing center. The right side, top right side, we have new test option is there. Na? Click on that new test. Click on that new test. So what was the name? The name of the test is a template. Come here, enter the template and which agent you are testing. That is a Einstein Copilot. How to select a Einstein Copilot version 1 or the default Agentforce version 1, right? So select Einstein Copilot version 1. Then after, click on the next, click on the next. No need to do anything. Then click on here next once again. And then after, what you have to do, right? See, use the testing template to create a CSV data. Here we have the template link is there. Just click on that. Just click on that. It will be downloaded. It will be downloaded. Testing template. Right? Testing template. Got it. Once you download it, simply just close this. Simply just close this pop-up. Clear? Next. So once again, click on here new test. Once again, click on the new test. Now here, what was the name? That is a test Agentforce version 1. Give the name as a test Agentforce version 1. Right? So which agent you are testing? That is Einstein Copilot version 1. Then after the description, they given the description, just copy paste that description here. Copy paste that description here. Then click on the next button. Once again, click on the next button. Then, so whatever the file you uploaded, whatever the file you downloaded, just upload that file. Click on this upload files. Whatever the file you downloaded, just upload that. Just upload that. Then after click on here done. Then after click on here next. Then click on here save and run. Save and run. right? Okay, you will see like this complete. Let me wait. So this is in progress, right? Wait for a couple of seconds, and automatically to update it to the completed. Refresh once again. Okay, it's completed. Got it. So now it's completed. Now you can go here and check this challenge. Done. We successfully completed unit 2. Next, we can go to the next unit. Go to the next unit. Right. So go to the Agentforce agents. Go to the in the setup. Go to the Agentforce agents. Right. Then you have to open a, say in the bottom here we have Einstein Copilot is there. Na? Einstein Copilot. Just click on that. Click on that. Then you can go here top right. We have Open Builder. Click on that Open Builder. Open Builder. Next, in the top right, we have a batch test option is there. Batch test button is there before activate. Click on that batch test. Click on that batch test. Right. So for the testing details here, you have to provide. What's the testing name? That is generate test agent force version 1. Right. Give the name as generate agent force version 1. Then after the description, click on the next. Click on the next. Right. So here, what you have to do, you need to select the second option. You have to select the second option. For the test case description, this one, description. Got it. Then click on here next. Click on here next. That's it. Then click on here, generate test cases. Generate test cases. Generate the test cases. The top right here we have a run test suite is there. It will be disabled. It will be enabled. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Refresh the page. Right, in the top right, we have a run test suite is there. Click on that run test suite. Here it will be updated. Just wait for a couple of minutes. See here, generating. Refresh it once again. See here, these are the pass, right? So you need to see everything come here, pass. And then after, so download the results. Let's wait. Now it's completed. So here the download result option is then click on that download result. That's it. That's it. Right. So everything was completed and every test was pass. Clear? So now you can go here challenge and check this challenge. Done. Successfully completed third unit also. Let's go for the next unit. So view test results. Okay, we have a quiz. So which part of the test result does the actual actions represent? We'll go for the C, the actions the agent ran. Next, Agentforce Builder allows for which type of testing? The manual testing. Check this challenge. Done. So we successfully completed Agentforce Testing Center module. Thanks for watching.